Give the command first fire team prepare to rush. Word is passed. First fire team is bounding forward while that second fire team is laying down the base of fire. They get down in position. They lay down their base of fire. Second fire team. Second fire team rushes.
Get right! I have it.
First fire team is bounding, giving the command. Fire team leaders are passing the command, and everybody within that fire team is passing the word. They get down, second fire team starts opening up. BARman's having fun. He's laying down a base fire. They're still laying down base fire. First fire team's going down to their LOA. That second fire team is going to go into echelon format. He's calling up Zippo. Flamethrower is moving up because you don't want the flamethrower in the assault itself. Flamethrower man's coming up. He's coming up on the right flank. First fire, the whole squad is giving him a base of fire so as not to get the flamethrower men out in the open. He's burning that position. That flame is also burning whatever in the area. It's also extracting oxygen out from that bunker, suffocating anything that's living on the inside.
And also making a smoke screen.
Squad's going to be online. They're going to watch about getting bunched up. They're assaulting through.
That's not good.
Hit it.
You can see, they can tell the operator, he just dumped his entire load. When it starts sputtering like that, you're down to the bottom of the tank.